What's up, y'all? It's Sabrina Maya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing myself like a little top knot bun. Me personally, like tight hairstyles be giving me headaches sometimes. That's why I don't wear my hair in buns most of the time. Cause like in order to do like a nice bun, you have to put your hair in a tight ass ponytail. But I'm gonna try to do like the curly top knot bun look. My hair kind of dry right now, so I'm gonna moisturize my hair and stuff like that. But let's get to it. This is like day 4 old hair. I recently just did a 2-strand twist out on my hair and my curls are starting to like fall. The front was braided different. I just had my hair in like a whole different hairstyle. To manage my hair and get my hair like super slick, I use a spray bottle with water and conditioner mixed in it. I'll be using Shea Miracle African Pride leave-in conditioner today because my hair is kind of dry. So I'm just wetting it right now. And don't mind my eyes. If my eyes look low to y'all, it's because I'm high right now. And it's my hair when I wet it a little bit. But I'm finna put some Shea Miracle and just moisturize all my strands. But start from the bottoms and work your way up. Y'all, I got my eyebrows started like, I want to say 2 to 3 weeks ago. Why my eyebrows still intact? Hair ain't grow back yet under my brow. Y'all see that arch? I know y'all see that arch. And on this side, you want to get your hair as moisturized as possible. That's what worked for my hair. Moisturizing it as I style it and wetting it and stuff. It helps me like comb my hair out better and manage it better. But you want to make sure you get those ends in the middle. You want to get everywhere. Get just a little bit more just to moisturize the back a little bit more. I always like to do my hair when it's damp. I like to get it damp first. I could style my hair a little bit faster and a little bit easier just by wetting it and putting moisturizer in it as I style. So I'm gonna just spray a little bit more. I'm so happy because the front of my hair is getting longer. I got a hack of what I use for my hair to grow, and it really worked. And it's gummies. But if y'all want a separate video on what I do to help grow my hair, I'll make a part 2. Once I work the product through my hair and stuff, and my hair is shedding. But once y'all work the product through your hair, y'all just want to like, whatever gel you use on your edges, you want to grab that. Today I'm going to be using Eco Styler gel that you can get from any local beauty supply store. And I just put that on my edges because this should make my edges like really slick. And I'm doing a top knot bun, so I need this to be like really slick. And I don't like using a lot of products. Like that shit is just like, I don't like putting all that product in my hair. I like to use like good amounts of product and then put the rest up, because like, you know how motherfuckers be slapping like hella product on their hair. You just want to brush the hair upward, like so. I'm gonna do plenty little natural hair tutorials. I'll be giving with the pink hair on here. And you want to get the back too and brush that up too. You want to take the tightest scrunchie you can find and just use your muscles, girl. Use your muscle and get that tight top knot. I'm only doing this 3 times because, like I said, when I wear tight ponytails, I get a headache. And then I just like keep this top half in like a ball and just spread it out. You want to get a couple bobby pins just to keep your hair in place. Keep your hair like intact and stuff. So you want to like stretch it out to your liking. I got a curl right there, curl right there. I just pull little curls out, give me like that curly like look. All right, so we got that in a bun, right? We gonna take an edge brush and slick our edges down, our baby hairs. Right now my forehead is on like super pink, and I only take like a little bit of Eco Styler gel at this point because I don't need a lot. And I'm looking up into my mirrors. My face be looking so stuck when I concentrate. That should be funny. And like I said, on my edges, I use a little bit of Eco Styler gel because I don't like caking my edges up. I just brush them down first. Brush my potential baby hairs down. And then I'll put some gel on them. Then I brush them back, slick them back. My forehead is still big. But we love big forehead bitches, period. But yeah, I'm just brushing up like any little flyaways I might see. I swear, I'm loving this pink. Like, I love my pink hair. So make sure you brush that back, slick that back. All right, so I think we pretty much done with the look. What is it giving? It's giving high top knot. It's giving sleek. It's giving big forehead. It's giving all of that. Let me know what y'all think about my bun. Do y'all love it? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so every time I post, y'all will be notified. I will be dropping more videos soon, so please, please, please stay where y'all at because I am not going nowhere, period. I'm gonna keep coming with the videos. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.